Welcome to uParts. This is the third in a series of videos that will teach you how to use and navigate uParts. In this video, we're going to cover filtering out your EMS files, or as we call them, bundles. When you first log into uParts, you will be taken to the production dashboard. Here, you can see your most recent EMS file uploads. By default, they are sorted from newest to oldest. Your shop may have quite a few estimate files. We've provided a few tools to navigate through them. Here on the top right, you can click through each page of them. In this case, it's set to 50 bundles per page. You can change that by clicking here. We can see 100 at a time, or we can only just see 10 if we wanted to. 25 here. You can also do some more advanced filtering. For example, if you have the RO number at hand, you can type it in here. You can also use the claim or the bundle number. Filter it by date based on a specific property, like when it was created or when it was ordered. You can also search by customer name or insurance provider. Let's see all the Liberty Mutual bundles. In this case, there's only one, so it takes us straight to the bundle view.